Welcome back in. Sunny and dry weather expected for the remainder of the evening. No weather worries, just a few fair weather clouds developing. Looking through that Elk downtown Toledo cam, a few folks out on the river enjoying the sunshine and the mild July temperatures. All the pop-up showers and storms along that I-71 corridor in eastern Ohio from Akron down towards Mansfield and even into the Columbus metro, seeing some downpours and storms. Those slow-moving downpours are going to exist along this cold front that's stalled out south and east of us, as high pressure briefly gives us sunshine. However, more active weather returns into the weekend. 87 right now in Toledo. Temperatures are close to 90 in Indy, and that's the kind of warmth that you can expect this weekend. There is going to be a marginal risk of severe weather in eastern Ohio today. You'll notice nothing for us. No weather worries this evening. However, tomorrow and into Saturday could see a few stronger storms, especially right along the state line and north of Toledo up towards Detroit and westbound to Kalamazoo and Lake Michigan. So your Friday forecast, dry weather to start the day. There could be a few more clouds rolling in as we see some afternoon thunderstorms bubble up, and then additional rounds of storms possible in the evening. Again, any severe risk is going to be widely scattered for tomorrow. So looking at that Lucas County Fair forecast, if you are planning tomorrow, I'd recommend earlier on in the day, with those isolated storm chances more likely during the latter half of the day. Additionally, stormy weather impacts will be felt Saturday with another batch of PM storms, a very warm and muggy feel. So the hour-by-hour forecast, dry weather to start your Friday. Some data does show some cloud cover rolling in with those thunderstorms drifting off Lake Michigan, although I think we'll stay dry through at least about the early afternoon. Into your Friday evening, some more widespread clusters of storms possible. There could be some periods of heavy rain and even some strong winds at times. Saturday, dry and sunny, hot and humid to start the day, but there will be some scattered storms developing again during the afternoon, very similar to the activity we've seen over the last couple of weeks. Temperature-wise, upper 60s out the door. Afternoon highs close to 90, but we are still expecting a late week pattern shift as the weather pattern briefly turns less humid and cooler. Below average conditions expected for at least several days. That extended forecast, we do have a couple more hot ones, a pair of 90s Tuesday and Wednesday. Our next cold front coming in Wednesday and Thursday and turning sharply less humid as we head towards the latter half of next week.